G'day and welcome to the half stitch rose ground and crossover with Jenny Brandis. I first worked this stitch with silk in a scarf pattern from the German Lace Guild, but this sample was worked on a much finer scale. You can find a link to the pattern sheet in the description below. I used Gutermann 100% cotton, hand quilting thread in the colour 5322. The green sticker that I added is the wraps per centimetre. To make the sample useful, I've added a cloth stitch border with a jump ring so it can be worn as a pendant. I attached the jump ring to the trail's two weaver pairs using a crochet hook through the ring and forming a half hitch. Hang in the top pin. Use a temporary pin to hold the jump ring up and out of the way. What that does is it allows me to work the trail without pulling the jump ring down into the lace. Close the pin with cloth stitch, cross, twist and cross, and tension. Work the trail surround before we get down to the actual stitch that you are here to learn. There are 11 steps to working this rose ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Step 1. With the two incoming pairs from the left, work half stitch, cross and twist. Step 2. With the two incoming pairs from the right, work half stitch, cross and twist. Step 3. Using the two centre pairs, cross, twist, pin, cross, twist. Step 4. Using the left two pairs, half stitch and pin. Cross, twist, put up the pin. Do not close the pin, just lay them aside. Step 5. Using the right two pairs, work half stitch pin. Cross, twist, pin. Again, do not close the pin, just lay the pairs aside. Step 6. Using the centre two pairs, half stitch with cross and twist. This forms the crossover. Step 7. Half stitch on the left. Step 8. Cross and twist the right two pairs. Step 9. With the centre two pairs, half stitch, pin, half stitch. Step 10. Close the rose ground with cross, twist on the left. Step 11. And cross, twist on the right. Decide if you are going to work the next left or right rose ground. I chose right. Continue repeating steps 1 to 11 until all 9 rose grounds are worked. Finish the sample with tossing out the pairs as you work to the point. Sew the last few threads back into the trail and cut the ends off.